Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making spicy chicken stew with taro. Let's get right to it. To start, chop chicken drumsticks into chunks. Soak in water to remove blood. Drain the water and add in cooking oil. Stir fully and cook in air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Also chop taro into chunks. Prepare some peeled garlics, sliced ginger, longhorn pepper, cilantro, and scallions. Heat a saucepan with medium heat and add in cooking oil. Swirl to coat the bottom of the pan. Add in scallion, ginger, and garlic. Stir fully until fragrant. Add in spicy pot sauce. Stir for 30 seconds and pour enough water to cover the ingredients. Add in chicken, taro, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Wait for a boil and turn to gentle heat. Cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes. Add in sliced pepper and cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and garnish with cilantro and white sesame seeds. Then spicy chicken stew with taro is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.